Hey guys, Ron from ReveMoto, and today we got a 2017-2023 Model 3 front bumper removal and installation. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And if you guys need this particular bumper for your car, already painted to color match your vehicle, shipped straight to your door, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source, where we ship all these parts to all 50 states, including our neighbors up above, Canada. Go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is pop the trunk or the frunk because we gotta take off the internals. As you guys can see, this cover, this whole thing, we need to take off. So the first thing we're gonna take off is this thing right here. We're just gonna slide it up, just like that. And the reason why is because there's this plug right here that we need to take off. Take that off. The next thing is take off this liner right here. Alright, so there's gonna be a lot of it's gonna be not a lot, but there's gonna be a few screws. It's gonna be like a 10mm right here, a 10 right here, a 10 up there, and a 10 up there, and then actually right here too, and right here. And then we're gonna remove this inside. Alright, so what you guys need is a 10mm. I got a long one, but you guys have a short one that's okay also. I got an extension just because I know I'm gonna need to go in deep in there. I have a ratchet that's powered, but your socket said if you have this one, that's okay also. This is just a manual one, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and go in here. So it's gonna look like that. And then right on top right here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. And then, so you guys can see everything's just clipped on. I guess I'll take that one off. It's actually pretty easy to take off. Oh, there's another 10mm right here. And that's why it's also important that you guys don't like just pull it and yank it, because sometimes there's like this bolt right here that's just hidden. Let's see if it works now. Should be it. There we go. All right, since we're already on top, so you guys can see right here, it's gonna be bolts. It's gonna be 10mm, 10mm. It's gonna be like 6 of them running across the top portion. Oh no, I ran out of power. All right, so I'm gonna go the way that you guys should be doing it, or not should be, the way you probably are doing it. It's gonna be manual like this. It just takes a little bit longer, but no difference in the power tool. All right, so the top portion is done. So now we're gonna go underneath the vehicle, and it's gonna be a bunch of push pins down there. So basically, running on the bottom, you guys see right there, just follow along on the lip of the bumper. There's gonna be a bunch of these push pins right here that you guys have to take off. I'm gonna use one of these. It's gonna be a panel removal tool, but if you guys have a flathead, that works also. So basically, just come in here. There's gonna be grooves that you guys go in there and pull it off. So basically, So you guys can see right here. And if you guys look, when it's depressed, there's like this groove right here. That's where you put the flathead and then push up on it, and then it'll release it. Okay? All right, there should be 2, 4, 6, 8. I think that's around 10 of them that you guys have to take off. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is gonna turn the wheel that way, so we can go ahead and get into the fender liner right here. All right, if you guys go right here, what you're gonna see is this push pins all around. It's gonna be push pins right here that we're gonna take off. So this thing can just go back like that. I'm just gonna take a look back here, see if I need to take off any more of these push pins for the bumper. I'm just trying to see if I need to take off. I know like the other ones, what I need to do is take the whole pan off. That was easier. But let me just check. All right, so let me show you guys. So this one's gonna be make it a little bit easier for us. If you guys go right here, go back there, you see right behind it, there's gonna be 1, 2 more, and just take off those push pins right there. That's one back here. All right, so there's gonna be 3 right behind here, or 2 right behind there. So that's the easiest way to take off the fender line, or kind of take off the fender liner off of the bumper itself, is by just turning the wheel. You can take off the wheel, but I don't feel it's that necessary just to get to these back push pins right here. As you guys can see, it's pretty easy with a flathead. Okay, so now once you guys have that done, you're gonna go and push back on this fender liner. Let's see, this is an easy way. You guys look up there. There's gonna be like 10 millimeter bolts that you gotta take off. All right, so all you gotta do is come back here and push to the back. Let's see if I can have the wheel kind of help me out, so you guys can see. It's gonna be back here. Right back there's gonna be 3 of them. So they're gonna be silver bolts, and there's gonna be 3 of them. Nope, that one fell back here. It's gonna be 3rd one. Let me see if this bracket comes off. Yeah. So this bracket should just come right off. As you guys can see, I just pulled it off. So do the exact same thing that you guys did here on the other side, okay? All right, so the other thing we gotta take off, as you guys can see right here, this rubber piece. So we already took off the clips down there, but you see this rubber clip is like stuck on there. So there's gonna be a bolt back here that we gotta take off. You guys can see right there. There's that bolt right there that we gotta take off. So there's gonna be a 10 millimeter, and that's gonna be on 1 on each side. So again, this is gonna be a 10 millimeter. As you guys can see, I moved the wheel. You guys can see this is gonna be the bolt or the nut that's up here. So now we can take off the bumper. See? Alright, so just go and do that on the other side also. So now all you gotta do is push down on this. And that should release it from the bumper. Alright, so you can just hang like that. And this bumper should be ready to come off. And right up here, it's gonna be a, it's just held on by a clip, and you just gotta kind of push up on it. Kind of release it like that. And this clip, hopefully we don't damage it. So just pull forward like this. So do the same thing on this side. This clip is pretty sturdy in there. There we go. So as you guys can see, I held it on because it's gonna tend to fall down. Now you can kind of slide it down, just like that. And the reason why I didn't pull it all the way down is because you guys have a, see right here? You guys have this plug right here, and you push down on this red thing, like that, and then press down on this. Let me just go ahead and use two hands. So, go ahead and get that thing. Sometimes it's hard because it's like on there pretty tight. There you go. Alright. Alright guys, so that's how you remove a Model 3 front bumper. I know I told you guys I'm going to put it on, but it's so hot in here, the camera keeps turning off. So I'm going to have a part 2 on how to put this on. So again, if you guys need this bumper for your vehicle, already painted to color match your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. Thank you guys.